This is the fastest way of making friends who will love you for who you truly are. And you may not like it because it's scary and uncomfortable, but this is the way. Just be completely yourself, radically, with everyone you meet as soon as possible. Divulge who you truly are as soon as possible. Is it risky? Are you going to turn people off? Are some of them going to run away? Yeah, probably. But if what you really want in life is to have true friends close to you as fast as possible, that's what you got to do. Every time you meet people, be yourself completely, to the point where you might become extremely unattractive to most people, to the point where you might become unemployable, to the point where you might come across as crazy. But there's that one small percentage of people who will love you for it, who will be curious, they will want to be friends with you, and you've already divulged who you are. Not completely, because that takes time, but you've been yourself right from the start, and they got curious. Now they like you, they love you for who you are. It's scary, it's uncomfortable, you might even make enemies, but that's the way to do it as fast as possible. Comes with risks.